world. So
Yeah.
63 roasters and 63 coupes.
Okay.
And I have a roadster, so
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
one of them.
All right. One of them, you hear?
Yeah, I have two events in the works. I have
Yeah.
the SE and the SEJ. I have the Revelto that's coming in November too. So I have like my collection that I'm building. You know?
Yeah.
This right here is a 6.3. So
Yeah, boom, one time again. What's going on? My big YouTuber family, mixed vlog family. What's going on? Everything good? I hope you're all doing well. And when you're watching this video, you're in your comfortable seat, and because I'm carrying up on a journey, we're showing you some exclusive Honda or Acura out here. Well, same Honda line. So yeah, so watch our go on. We are going inside, we are going to check out the cars them. So them have some nice car out there. Whole heap of action and whole heap of things. So just go and stay tuned and follow me and watch our go on. So yeah man, so we're outside. We're going to check out the vlog, check out the cars them, and we see what going on out there, okay? Alright, stay tuned and follow me. Yeah, so we have them set to go inside the event. It's $25 per person. So we're gonna go inside and check out what's going on. Alright, so yeah, stay tuned, that is it. Okay. So we have some nice good morning. So we have some nice young ladies here to take care of you.
How are you?
Tell my people who are watching what's going on today.
We have a car event going on. We have two-step. We have a dyno competition. So we have different events going on and vendors.
Okay,
it's
a lot of vendors.
$25 per person.
Okay, I don't know if they hear you. Tell them again. It's 25?
It's $25 per person.
Okay, alright. So we're gonna go inside and check out what's going on in there. Alrighty.
How old is he?
40.
The black Honda? Black Honda. Here you go.
Alright, thank you.
Here you go. That's for you. Since he's a minor, he won't get one.
Okay, alright. You want to put it on for me?
Yes.
Please and thanks.
You're
And look,
welcome.
you see? It's nice here. If you can't put it on, she will help you.
If
Oh,
you
yes,
ask nicely.
Yeah. Okay. And I did say please, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
There you go.
Alright, that is it. Alright.
Enjoy.
Alright, thanks. Alright, so we're off inside. We're gonna check out the car them. Yeah, you know car name, do I? So I don't know what. Now look for Acura Depot. So yeah. So what is this? A Ferrari check dealing with a Acura?
It's a Honda.
Look at it. Let's see. It's not a Honda, you know, but you have Ferrari for the car show. See you here. So yeah, man. And guess what? Yo, that brother, I love that, but guess this, man. Yo, we out here represent for Skunk Life to here. So Nick, big up yourself. Engineer pretty. No. Later on, I guess we have to go make the people then tell me. Let's set a go on. But a Nissan? No, sir. How is this? A Skyline? I don't know what. Yo, there's a Honda show, but I'm not just Honda out there, man. No, I see Acura, yeah. But Toyota there, Supra. That's good. So I guess, oh, Kings of the Hills. I know. You know, nothing to do with just Acura. I guess I bad car them alone. Hey, when me hear them say Kings of the Hills, I think I just Acura alone. I never know say every car out here. Everything there. Oh. So. Wait, so that one here your one? Tell me a little about it now, man. Anything, everything, because I don't really know cars like that, you know, but you don't know, so we are getting into it. So you can tell me some stuff.
93 Toyota Supra.
Yeah?
2JZ, 356 6-speed,
Oh,
one a turbo, some injector, some fuel runabout.
see there?
Them say it fast.
Oh, them say it fast.
Them say it
So what
fast.
you say? So what, later on, what we are going to do? Air crank up later on and that's it, or them are going to make a spin around the block or
No,
what?
man, no spin.
No spin now, just show.
A two-step competition, I don't know it.
Okay, see.
I must be watching that.
Alright, my boss, alright, see it there? Yeah, man.
Yeah, sure, right there. Right there.
Ah, Nick there. Alright, see it there? Yeah, man have him think them out there, representing already. Yeah? Alright, so this are not just have to do with Honda alone. It have to do with every fast car. Cause this look like this GT. And I think it's a Nissan this, don't it? Oh, see there? Yeah, it's a Nissan. So yeah, man. Alright. And watch you know. We have riders out here too, you know. So yo. Where's a little more now take it to them? Where's a little more riding? Or no riding? No riding? Oh, so who's gonna ride the bike later on?
He's gonna ride.
This guy gonna ride?
I'm gonna ride.
Yeah?
A few of us,
man.
yeah.
Got a few riders out here today.
Okay. So where all of that gonna take place? Over
Right
there?
here,
Right here in this. Oh, okay. So
Right
people.
here in the
Okay, so stay tuned. So what you riding?
So I ride that green ZX10 right there. Most likely I'll be on a dirt bike or something today
Okay.
as well.
Okay, see it there. Alright, we're gonna here to see all our action. So people see it there. Have some nice ride out here too, you know. Kawasaki. Let's see, you're not ride.
Oh, this is me right here.
Oh, that's you right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. How what is that? 1,000?
24 636.
636. Okay. See it there? Wow. So a stunter. Mad. That's what I want to see later on, eh? Alright. That is it, man. Alright. So yes, people. Yeah. Look like the ladies them are gonna ride too. Yep. Alright. Yo, roll through. Hey, what? Oh, I wanted that. Bombat. Man, let me see a lift clutch hard. Yeah, go on, the boss. Pick up yourself, man. You see it? Yeah, man, with the outside, I go and represent said speed. I represent. Yeah, that man say.
Yes.
Yeah. I hope you rain no fall now.
Hey, you can't fall, but nobody not going nowhere at all.
Okay, alright. So you lift no clutch today?
You know,
You not lift no clutch today?
I'm bringing this.
Okay. You not have to say nothing. She will say everything for you. Alright, we there check out some of my car, you know?
Yeah,
Your
man.
dad is still in.
Which part today? Which over there, sir?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay, alright. Now, I wonder how long Nick can take for rolling.
I guess it's too far. Depending on the way.
Alright, we're there, yeah?
man.
Alright, see it? Yeah, man. So, yeah. That is it, man. We're there. And see car over here, so. You see? Yeah, man. The thing I get active. It's still early. So we just are going to roll through. Oh, yeah, look for me, sir. Oh, yeah, look for me, sir. That girl underneath her glasses. She'll look and then she'll take off her eye like say she know. And what you want to tell me? Tell me, you're a seller. Tell the camera what you want to tell him. You don't want to tell him nothing? Okay, alright. I guess when you're ready to talk. Alright, and so now represent for skunkers. Wait, so this is the skunkers t-shirt. Alright. So yeah, man. Wow. How you say? Bad rider there too. Go on, one more time for them again. One more. Yo, go easy. Mad. Alright. That is it. Not give them no more. Let's say, well, go on, eh? Yeah, man. So this is it, man. The cars out here. Later on, people are gonna tell me some of them vehicles here. What is the name of them and all of that. But yeah, man. Real nice car there. Yeah, we don't know if we're gonna get some rain. Yeah, talk on over there, so we'll take it walk on over there. We'll take it walk on. We hear something going over there, so. We hear something going. We hear something going. We get some early action, you know? Yeah. Trail bar. Mad. Panic wrong. That is it. Well, that's not it yet. Man, come back again. Preview. That is it, lightning, thunder. Yeah. Yo. I might do some tune up. Oh, okay. And that one have Akira Dipper. Rest of that one have Akira Ducato.
No, it's Trini built.
It's a Trini build. Oh, see it there? Alright, this is Trini built. Alright. What size engine in there?
32.
32 in?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it there. I just get accustomed to them, you know. So, I'm young in it, you know. No pro. I'm just learning.
These are the J32s from well, this motor specifically is from the CL type. Sorry, my Trini.
No, man. I mean, man, people understand theory, man. You know, Trini and Jamaica not much far, you know. So yeah. Alright. So
pack it away. I'll back in the car and sit down. Pack it away.
So you say later on we're gonna hear it real potential light or so?
No. My tuner just told me not to.
Oh, not to crank. Oh, okay.
He was like, yo, just take it to the show and that's it.
That's okay. See,
we're getting ready for Grenada next 3 weeks.
Next week? Oh,
yeah,
next
so
3 weeks.
Oh, Grenada for their event.
Okay, what they're doing? The same car show or race? Drag racing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
International drags. Jeremy down in Grenada, he's the one that's promoting it.
Okay.
So it's a CDRC event.
Okay, yeah, I watched some of those.
So a bunch of Antigans, St. Vincent's, Lucians, Trinis.
Yeah. Because I was watching the rally that gone earlier, and I watched the St. Croix one and all that, you know. So yeah, okay. Alright, so that is it. So you said nothing much today. Just showing.
Just show.
Alright, boss. Pick up yourself, yeah, man. Alright, so that is it, man. Alright. Alright, now we see it. What go on, my father? Yo, me a newbie to the car show thing, you know, so you have to tell me about your vehicle and let me know what go on with it. So tell
machine.
Okay, I don't type all this, don't?
No, man, SI.
Oh, SI?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so tell me what go on with it now, man, because you say a match,
It's
Civic.
a fully built motor, you know what I'm saying, turbocharged. I'm not give the number there, but it high.
What you say, not tell me about the dinosaur?
No.
Oh shit, alright, let me see what go on with the engine and all that. Yo.
Keep that part quiet, you know?
Yeah. And me know say stock and when you not do nothing to it, and when you boost it up a different thing. So this stock or not?
Huh? Oh, this completely built.
Oh, you built, okay.
Yeah.
Built, okay.
Transmission and motor built.
Okay. Okay, seen.
What Hellcats make? Like over 7?
Hellcat?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gone past that area?
Yeah.
See it there? Hellcat and you can't test it Honda on the road, you know? Hear that?
Shout out to Harry Tune, isn't it?
Oh, tell them what gonna.
Harry Tune, HTT
Oh, Harry Tune, okay.
146 tuning.
Okay, see there. So that are you?
Yeah, no, that's who built it.
That's who
built
built
and tuned.
Okay. Because you can't, remember say you can't build your thing and bring it out set speed now, but no, okay, Harry Tune, big up yourself. Alright, yeah man, we're going to there now, car show you and go and check out some of my car and set speed, you know?
Yeah, man.
So, yeah. So what you say? You bring it to yard?
Yeah?
You bring it to yard?
It would be nice, but not lie.
Just cool, man.
1-2 pull on there.
Yeah, just cool, man. For real.
It would be nice, but not lie.
For real.
It would be nice, but we need road.
At that, we don't have none down there, eh?
No man, iron shore, man. Bring
I show because you know that I runway. You see it?
That's like perfect runway.
Yeah man, it toll road can't man never go on the toll and I do something but you can't deal with it.
No, we need straight.
Yeah man, for real. Alright, that is it. We're there man, look at yourself. Alright, I represent, you know? Alright, my boss. Yeah man, me see you look on your own, you know. But you come like you just, you look like you just a mugger your own, you know really. What you say? What go on to your own? Oh, just.
It just looks good, that's all.
Okay.
I try to make it look.
Okay. Yeah man, what you mean man? A card. Civic this one? It broad though man.
It's a daily, you know?
Yeah, okay, it broad man, it look like a card. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nice man. You can pop? Ah, nice man, machine. Well clean, leather. Yeah. Well, so watch it now. Is a car, I bring a next car, you know.
Oh, yeah, that's the next machine right there.
Lows and skirt.
You're gonna see that.
Yeah, out there, okay. That's something you have in progress.
Yeah, no, right now, I'm gonna charge it up right now.
Oh, so you're gonna run it out here?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, later we're gonna see you drive up.
Yeah.
Alright, my boss. Yeah, man,
Respect.
Machine clean, man.
Respect.
Yeah, Civic. Yo, in front, it look like a car, tow it broad.
Yeah, I changed the grill on it. So it's a little different. It's like a Type R style grill like this.
Oh, okay, seen. For real. Alright, pick up yourself, man. We're there, I'm going to take in the show, see? Alright, yeah.
We are fixed. Them are fixed.
Mm.
Alright.
Yo. Yo. Hey. You see that voice there? Can't, what go on, my general? Everything blessed. Can't robot, man. I tell you. Real, man. Everything blessed.
Yeah.
See it there? Alright, we're there, I'm going to take it to my show, you know? Big up. Alright, see it there? Whole heap of car there in that place, you know? Whole heap of machine. See the check your lineup. Corvette in our lineup too. Mustang, everything. So it's all inclusive. Me did have it to say I just one set of vehicle, but no, I was wrong. Yeah, Corvette are bad. So Chevy. Is a Camaro. I think this is a nice one. Yo, what is this again? I don't know car so good enough, but that car over there is a Camaro, right?
Huh?
That car over there is a Camaro?
The second one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, because I don't know car so well, you know. I'm just getting into it, you know?
Little by little.
Yeah, little by little, you know? Alright, so where is your one? Where is your car? This is, this is a Honda. Oh, so what it run pan?
What it runs?
What is running on now?
A D-series, single cam.
Oh,
Like
okay.
original motor, but a lot of stuff done to it.
Oh, so it convert from stock to...
Yeah, to race cars.
Oh, okay. So how much you run?
Hey, 9 seconds.
Whoa. Holy power.
Power 850.
850.
Yeah.
Oh, see there? Alright. That is it. Nice. Tell me now, that car, they bring it on a record come out here, right?
No, man.
Yeah. Oh, and drop it. Oh. Okay. Man, drop it right on the ground. Hey, I was just saying, man, it seems like you bring it with a wrecker.
Huh?
I was just saying it look like you use a wrecker to bring it come on. So, but no, you say you let it down.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Well low up on the ground. Where's it, bud? Yeah. That's cool, no, man. Yeah. Alright. More machine over here, so. More machine. Where say we have to have it clean, eh? What you mean bring it to the road? Pretty! Yeah, man.
Hey, don't fuck you up, bro.
So, a grill master there too, you know. So nobody thinks a car alone. See man up on the grill, eh? And look on the chicken them. Man a go on, eh? Where say? Them are experienced Jamaican style? Alright. So what, just chicken alone?
Chicken and pork.
Oh, chicken and pork. Oh. See there? Man have a thing them. So them done here, so them a go over there, so go and soak in. See it there? That is it, man. Alright, bless up yourself, you know. You see it.
Exactly. That's why you got the tag. I ain't get a video of you yet. That's the point. Don't nobody have to get a video of you. Cause you know where you be at. That's because you already be in the cut.
You look like you want to go on ride, eh? You want to go on ride, right? Little man now gonna deal with it too. I don't think him can manage that. What is that? Ever? Ever, okay. See there? Wow. Engine pretty. That's cool, man. Real. So what, just fish show or daily drive or fish show?
Daily car one.
Daily car. Oh, okay. Right there, come showcase it just the same. That's cool, man. So tell me a little about it, man, because I learn, you know.
Details for the car.
Yo, tell me something about the car because I learn, you know.
We can tell a car one what it is, man.
Eh?
The Billy.
Who Billy?
The owner.
I'm Billy?
No, I know it's Billy, man.
Oh, but...
Billy.
Okay, see there?
Yeah, man.
For real, man. Look on it and I say around there, but it look like a Mitsubishi. I come and see says that ever. Yeah, man. So, me just come in a car thing, you know, so I want to learn, you know, so only into a long time, I feel make me know what I go and see vehicle there, you see me?
What kind of vehicle is your favorite vehicle?
My, you know, it's a big man leverage. Right now, me not even, yo, me not really have no favorite vehicle person. Me just a search same way, you see me I say?
Yeah, man, you can.
I search through.
You can search through, man.
Yeah, me I search through.
Yeah, man. You don't have vehicles already?
Me know say that ever.
Okay.
Yeah, man, from me look around the back and me say, you know, me know say that evolution.
Yeah, man.
Me know car, you know, but not so much details like on it, you see what I say?
Yeah, man, you understand.
Yeah. Real. So what is this stock or
No, man, no.
what you do?
Everything.
Okay, so that's what me I say. So now if you tell me, you know.
Gearbox build, engine build, everything.
Oh, see there? What, 6 speed or 5? 5 speed. Okay, see there? Real. How much that push down?
You want tune over? About 500.
You might not want to get too much detail.
We don't discuss numbers for the flag.
Alright. Yo, we know when Nick come in here, I want to know how much that push down. Alright, that is it, yeah, man. So see there? Machine clean. You know? Oh, alright, yeah. Alright, see there? Yeah, man. Nice. Real. And that is it, my people. Everyone in the house. Nice. Then Lee. Where's the queue? You bring out the machine?
Yeah, two of them, the SVJ and the R34. You know,
Okay,
something light, you know?
Yeah. So when I hear Nick talking about that big show that you're gonna do on the compound.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to organize it very, very soon actually. But like it was a bad time in August and that kind of thing. But probably October, you know, that kind of thing. So we have time. We have time. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that is it. So you say you come out to take part in that show, or just a watch?
No. I brought the R34 for the show.
Okay.
So, am I, you know?
Okay, all right. So
And then the Lamborghini for probably the limbo match.
Okay, all right. So walk over to one of them, let me know, because I just get into the game, you know. You know? Yeah, man. So this is Q Banks here.
Yeah.
You know, and him have a big bad machine, and if you don't want no more, compound over there, you know.
Of course.
Yeah, man.
So, this is my R34. I bought it about maybe like 4 years ago now.
Mm-hmm.
It was a slow build, but at the same time, it just got completed probably like last year.
Mm-hmm.
This right here is a RB28. I bought it out to a 2.8 instead of a 2.6.
Yeah.
Has about 990 horsepower, just about, you know.
Okay.
85 flex fuel, of course, but yeah, solid.
Yeah.
Beautiful motor.
Yeah. Look, yeah, you look pretty.
I mean, that purple 3. I was going for the pretty look, you know, like not too racy, but at the same time, like it's a show car.
Yeah.
And then you know.
Yeah.
And then on the wheels, I got some Velos design work wheels. I think it's 19 all around.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. 6 spec. Yeah, that's about it. Really.
And it's the first time I'm really seeing this one, because I know Nick do a lot of vlogs with you.
Correct.
But it's the first time I'm seeing this one.
I don't take it out too often. That's you know, like certain type of events and that kind of thing. You know? So
Okay, cool.
I like the fact that it's very, very exclusive. You know,
So nobody sees much.
Barely.
Okay,
I'm glad to bring it to the show and everything, so everybody can actually appreciate it. You know?
Okay, and listen, people, this man is actually a Jamaican too. So not because you hear that.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course. So not because you hear that accent is Jamaican. You know? Yeah, man, Jamaican doing good in here in Florida, you know?
Yeah, man.
I'm happy for you, bro. Trust me.
I gotta show everybody that's possible. You know what I'm saying?
Of course.
You know,
yeah,
plus,
because.
You know, we have like a big culture in South Florida as far as like the car culture for all the Jamaicans and everything. So I feel like just me even bringing this and the 6'3" over there, it's like a top dog.
I mean, it's a big accomplishment for we Jamaicans.
Of course.
You know, we can look at our fellow brothers and say, damn, he's doing good.
Of course.
So we can make it too, you know?
Of course.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah,
for real. Yeah, man, because yourself, man. All right, yeah, man, I'll check it out. And then
Check it
I'll go
out.
over there and check out.
6'3", of course.
Yeah. All right, so let's take a thing. All right, so that is it. And yeah, 6'3" across the road. Alright. Skyline. Pretty. Yeah, man. Q Banks. Alright. So, gotta go across now. And it might be Lambo. So, you want to walk over with me to the Lambo to Q?
Boom. Alright. So, this right here is my 2021 Lamborghini SVJ 63. It's only 63 in the world. So 63 roadsters and 63 coupes.
Okay.
I have a roadster, so this is one of them.
All right. One of them here.
I have events. I have SV and SVJ. I have the Revelto that's coming in November too. So I have like my collection I'm building. You know?
Yeah.
This right here is a 63. So all the 63s, they all have a different spec.
Okay.
So no 63 is alike.
Yeah.
You get me? So
everything different.
One of one.
Yeah, correct.
But there, 163 there. Brooks exhaust. Brooks racing exhaust. Velos design work wheels. What else? Full carbon fiber everywhere, pretty much. Like all right here is carbon fiber. The roof is carbon fiber. The engine cover is carbon fiber. Wing carbon fiber.
Okay.
All right here is carbon fiber.
So the carbon fiber make it light.
Yeah, but also like makes it a bit more exclusive because all the other cars they have like plastic or metal there.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So like the carbon fiber makes it a little bit lighter, but I think it pops a little bit more like whenever it's inside a sun and that kind of stuff.
Oh, okay.
But overall, like the car itself is a one-of-one car. Very, very different, very, very nice. Shoots fires up to like maybe 5 feet flames and that kind of thing. So yeah, it's cool. It's nice.
Okay.
It's nice.
All right. Okay.
Very obnoxious.
Yeah. Okay.
Compared to like the SV and everything.
And look,
you know?
I can see you representing inside.
Of
Look,
course.
see? It's
So
Jamaican flag. Yeah.
Most of my cars actually, I have the flag in there because like, I want people to know that you're like, it's a Lamborghini on the road, but I want to
Jamaican.
Jamaican that's driving the Lamborghini.
Yeah.
All the supercars and that kind of stuff, I make sure I have the flag inside them just so people can actually know about it, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, super cool though.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
I see it. I wanna do it. What you say? You go for your whole squad, eh? Simple, simple. Rolling in, mad it up. That is it.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 6, right? Yeah, all shit are locked. Right. Go all the way around.
Where's the machine? How are you doing? Good? What you say? The two best things where people love the most, food and car. Which one is yours? Which one is yours? Huh? You're not here? Oh, so which one do you like? Oh, the GTR you like? Okay, okay. Like fast car? Okay, nice, nice. Alrighty. People, me just a show the vehicle them, you know? Yeah, and people are rolling. Place I get crowded, you know? That is it. What you carry them? It's active.
Yeah, I saw that. Like, quickly, I'm just like,
At this time, we're starting the bike show over in the back, all right? All right, at this time, we are now starting the bike show towards the back of the lot. As well, there's food on sale in the middle of the tent. Shout out to Race Car Kev each and every time, all right? Shout out to each and everybody in the building. This is King of the Hill as we start things and get things going. Go by the name of DJ Brandon, all right? So he's gonna start things off just like this.